few for our official para itong unang draw gagawin natin, ano tawag dito? Yung pairing ng teams, team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, para wala kayong masabi. May witness. Jeff, balasahin mo, Jeff, ha? Ipili mo yung first two teams, Jeff, ha? Kailangan may witness, eh. May sabihin nila, nire-read ko yung tournament mo. Jeff, first round. Team 3 versus Team 1. Team 3 versus 1. Okay. And obviously, Team 2 versus 4. Okay. Now, yung random pairing, you'll do it once lang for the whole, for all the teams, ha? Okay. By the way, yung Team 3, yung third faction ko, Retribution, courtesy of Jeff. Yung fourth, pinag-iisipan ko pa, ha? Okay, so player, ito, bunot ni Def. Si player 1, hindi, wala pa. Yan, ha? Kitang-kita nyo, si Jeff yan. Mabait yan, hindi yan marunong mandaya. Okay, Jeff, ha? Si player...
Bottom, 2.
Player 2.
And from the top, 2, 4.
Ay, hindi pwede. Teka muna, hindi pala pwede ganyan, Jeff.
Bakit? Okay.
Apat lang yan.
Apat lang.
Kasi apat na player din sa isang team, eh. Dalawang matchup ang gagawin natin.
Pareho lang, eh. Hindi ganun lang. Pareho lang.
Ano ginawa mo? Ito, 2, 3, and 1, 4.
Ay, hindi. 2, 4.
No. Ito yung sa player na, eh. Halimbawa, si player 2, kalaban niya si player 3. Di ba? Ulitin natin.
2, 4. Ganyan rin, no? Ganyan rin yung lumabas, eh.
So, for the leading teams, Team 1 and Team 2,
Parehong result. Ay, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Team player 1.
Team 1 and Team 2. Player 1, kalaban niya si player 3. Player 1 versus 3. And then player 2 versus 4. Tapos player... Di kailangan magbunot ulit si Jeff. Hindi, si player 3, ang pwede na lang niyang kalaban, si 1 or 2. So random na lang yan, Jeff. 1 or 2.
Or 2. Mahirap ito, ikaw naman
Player 3 versus... Sige, bunot na isa. Jeff, bida, ano yung 1? Okay. So si player... Hindi, tama. Okay na to, Jeff.
Okay.
So si player 3, kalaban niya yung player 1 na next team. Tapos player 4, kalaban niya yung player 2 na next team. So legitimate yan, ha? With witness, Jeff. Organized. Okay, thank you very much, Jeff. Ipopost ko to. Okay, thank you.